Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about some example problems from chapter 3. Okay, example 3.39. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove the following conditions. Then I will complete the first part. Cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Listen the solution. I will consider the left hand side, cos a plus cos b plus cos c. First we take cos a plus cos b term. Cos a plus cos b, what's the formula? 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Okay, so cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c. Next line is we take a plus b is pi minus c, because already gave a plus b plus c value is pi. So what's the value of a plus b? We take c is right side, we get pi minus c. Okay, a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then a plus b is equal to pi minus c. So this a plus b, that place you substitute pi minus c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c. Then pi minus c by 2, split the term and write pi minus c by 2 is pi by 2 minus c by 2. Remaining terms you write it, cos a minus b by 2 plus, again substitute cos c. Already you know cos a, what's the formula? 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. 1 minus cos a is 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. So substitute this cos c place this formula, 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Here a, then only we get a by 2, but the term is c, so you write c by 2. Okay, so 2 cos pi by 2 minus c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus this place write 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Next use the trigonometric complementary angles. What's the formula? Complementary angles, cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Okay, cos this pi by 2 is 90 degree angle. Pi by 2 is 90 degree angle. So you know the trigonometric complementary angle, cos 90 degree minus theta sin theta. So we get sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Balance terms you write down. Then next step is rearrange the terms and write. You take plus 1 and first we can write the positive value 1. So 1 plus balance term you write down. Okay, take this one only first. Balance terms you write down. The next step is see these two terms. 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus 2 sin square c by 2. So we take the common factor of 2 sin c by 2 outside. If we take 2 sin c by 2 outside, we get the term cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2 in the bracket inside. Okay, so 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into here cos a minus b by 2 minus this c also we change and write. Already you know a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then c is equal to pi minus of a plus b. So this c place you substitute pi minus of a plus b by 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus, split the terms, pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. But sin 90 degree minus theta, we get cos theta. Sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. So here we get it cos a plus theta place you write a plus b by 2. So cos a plus b by 2. Again substitute one result, cos a minus b by 2 minus cos a plus b by 2 is 2 into sin a by 2 sin b by 2. Okay, so this place you write 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Then 2 into 2 you find out the product. So we get 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Hence proved. This is the right hand side value. So we get the proof part. Second part is sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 less than or equal 1 by 2. Now you take u is equal to left hand side value, sin a by 2, sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. Then sin a by 2 and sin b by 2, we use one result and write the step. 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, or we take one negative term outside, we get cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Okay, I will take the second result, minus of cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, or you write this formula, we get the result. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into cos a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus b by 2 into sin c by 2. Then minus 1 by 2 into write the first two terms, and sin c by 2, this place you write sin pi minus a plus b by 2, because a plus b plus c is pi, so c is pi minus of a plus b. Then split the term, sin pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. So sin 90 degree minus theta, we get cos theta. Cos theta place you substitute a plus b by 2. Okay, balance terms you keep it. Then minus 1 by 2 into, you take this cos a plus b by 2 inside. So you find out the product of cos a plus b by 2 into cos a plus b by 2 is cos square a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus b by 2 into cos a plus b by 2, we get the same result. Okay. Now cos square a plus b by 2, then minus, you write the bracket inside terms, we take this minus 1 by 2 into left side. Left side already the term u, so we take minus 1 by 2 into left side, we get minus 2u. Okay, minus 2u, remaining terms you write it. Then rearrange the terms. We take minus 2u into right side, we get cos square a plus b by 2 minus cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus 2u is equal to 0. See the equation. This equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get one of the quadratic equation form. So a value is 1 and b is coefficient of a plus b by 2 is cos a minus b by 2 in the middle term. So we take b is equal to minus cos a minus b by 2 and the constant is 2u. This x place cos a plus b by 2. Okay, so you know that cos a plus b by 2 is real number. So is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal 0. b square minus 4ac greater than or equal 0. Substitute this a, b, c value in this equation. Substitute the a, b and c value in this equation. We get the line b square is minus cos of a minus b by 2 the whole square minus 4 into a into c greater than or equal 0. We take the square, we get this negative is positive. So cos square of a minus b by 2 minus 4 into 2 8u greater than or equal 0. Now you take minus 8u into right side, cos square a minus b by 2 greater than or equal 8u. Find out the u value. So u less than or equal 8 is take into left side, so we get the reciprocal of 8 because this one is multiplication. Multiplication we get the reciprocal division 1 by 8 into cos square of a minus b by 2. So u less than or equal 1 by 8 into cos square term. So u less than or equal to this 1 by 2.
1 by 8.
Okay, so u less than or equal 1 by 2. Already you took u value is sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. So this value also less than or equal 1 by 8. Hence proved. So in the third part, 1 less than cos a plus cos b plus cos c less than or equal 3 by 2. Already we know the result cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. So see this term cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus again some more little term. So this value is greater than 1. So 1 less than cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Listen, cos a plus cos b plus cos c is 1 plus again some more term we added this one. So cos a plus cos b plus cos c value is greater than 1 only. So write this result 1 less than cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Take this as the first equation and this one is second. First and this one is second equation. Also we know that using the second result is sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 less than or equal 1 by 8. So you substitute this value in the first equation. So we get cos a plus cos b plus cos c less than or equal 1 plus 4 into 1 by 8. Here 1 4 is 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Already know 1 less than cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Now we get this result. We combine these two results. We write 1 less than cos a plus cos b plus cos c less than or equal 3 by 2. Hence proved. Next example 3.40. Prove that sin a by 2 plus sin b by 2 plus sin c by 2 is equal to 1 plus 4 sin pi minus a by 4 sin pi minus b by 4 sin pi minus c by 4. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, take the RHS value. RHS is 1 plus 4 sin, write this term, RHS, okay. But already we know that cos a plus cos b plus cos c is 1 plus 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. I'll use this result. Listen, write the RHS value is here a by 2 place pi minus a by 4. Sin a by 2 is we get cos a. So here we get it cos pi minus a by 2. Okay, a by 2 is a. Pi minus a by 4 is we get half value. Okay, a by 2 we get the whole part. A is a by 2. So a by 2 is we get by 4. So cos pi minus a by 2 plus cos pi minus b by 2 plus cos pi minus c by 2. Okay, we use that result and write. Now I split the term pi minus a by 2 is pi by 2 minus a by 2. Here also pi by 2 minus b by 2. Here pi by 2 minus c by 2. Then cos 90 degree minus theta sin theta. So theta place substitute a by 2 sin a by 2. Here b by 2. So sin b by 2. Cos 90 degree minus c by 2 sin c by 2. This is the left hand side. Okay, hence proved. Number 3.41. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. Left hand side cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c. One small adjustment, you multiplied and divided by 2 by 2. We take the numerator 2 inside of the terms. Okay, so we get 1 by 2 into 2 cos square a plus 2 cos square b plus 2 cos square c. Now we use this result. Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. So 2 cos square a is, we take minus 1 into left side, we get 1 plus cos 2a. So 2 cos square a place, you write 1 plus cos 2a. So here we get it 1 plus cos 2a. This one is 1 plus cos 2b. This term is 1 plus cos 2a. So we add 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Okay, 1 by 2 we keep outside. Now you multiplied 1 by 2 into inside of the terms. So 1 by 2 into 3 is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into this 3 terms. Okay, so 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into bracket inside you write the remaining terms. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into, now cos 2a plus cos 2b. We apply one formula. 2 cos of a plus b cos a minus b. Cos 2a plus cos 2b formula is 2 cos of a plus b cos a minus b. And cos 2c place you substitute 2 cos square c minus 1. Use this result. Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. So cos 2c is 2 cos square c minus 1. Okay. Then listen the next line. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2 cos. This a plus b place you substitute pi minus c. Because a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So a plus b is pi minus c. Okay. So this a plus b place you write pi minus c. Balance term you write down. Then cos 180 degree minus theta. What's the formula? Cos 180 degree minus theta minus cos theta. Or we use the procedure. This 180 degree is 2 times 90 degree. 2 times 90 degree, 2 is even. 2 is even, then cos is cos. Okay, if you add, then cos is sine. But this number is even, so cos is cos. But the quadrant of 180 degree minus theta is second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is positive or negative? All students take chocolate. So, students' sine and cosecant are positive in the second quadrant. Cos is negative. Here we substitute minus 2 cos C. Because cos 180 degree minus theta in the second quadrant cos is negative. So, minus 2 cos C. The balance term, you write it. Okay. The next line. So, 3 by 2. Now, we take 1 by 2 inside. Okay, 1 by 2 multiplied each term by 1 by 2. So, we get minus 1 by 2. Here, minus cos C, cos A minus B, plus 1 by 2 into 2, plus cos square C. Okay, so 1 by 2 into minus 2 is minus cos C. Cos A minus B, plus 1 by 2 into 2 is, you get cos square C. Now listen this two term, cos C into cos A minus B. This one is cos square C. Say the common factor. Cos C is the common factor. So we take outside cos C. Okay. Here we simplify this two term. Plus and minus we get here negative. Okay. Now we take minus cos C outside. So this term is positive. Cos A minus B. This positive term is negative because you took outside negative value. So 1 minus cos C into cos A minus B minus cos C. Then 1 minus cos C into, write this term. But this cos C, this C place, you write pi minus of A plus B. Pi minus of A plus B. The cos value, cos 180 degree minus theta already studied. Minus cos theta. So, minus cos C place we get minus cos of A plus B. Minus into minus we get plus. Because this already having one minus. Then cos C is minus cos of A plus B. So minus into minus, here we get it plus. So cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. So cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Now only I will explain this formula. 2 times cos A cos B. Okay, if you add cos A minus B plus cos A plus B value, we get 2 times cos A cos B. Okay, so 1 minus 2 cos A into cos B into cos C. This is the right hand side value, hence proved.